Don Dealer.
Guys, welcome back. What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another reaction. Daneliya Tuleshova seems like she was on a mission after American Title. American Title. America's Got Talent. She went out and did some more performances, and I believe Moana is a song. I don't really know too much about Moana, but it seems like it's a movie and there's a soundtrack to it. And Daneliya Tuleshova is giving us her little spice, her little spin to it. And he's giving us her kazakh version. I may be wrong, I may be right, but hey guys, this is learning. I love to learn. Let me know in the comment section. But enough with the chit chat. You new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's a very cool channel. Very cool channel. Enough with the chit chat. The red rattle. Let's get into this reaction. Moana. Daneliya Tuleshova. Enough has been said. Soundtrack. Live. Disney song, I believe. Beautiful. I just love the way she sounds. It sounds angelic. I love it, man, especially with the orchestra, the behind her. I like this part right here, the part where it's turning up, guys. The song is turning up, the upbeat, the transition. I love it. But I love it. I'm just going to take it back a little bit. Just a little bit, because I like this part a lot. Let me take it back just a little bit. But I love this shot of Daneliya Tuleshova. She's into it, guys. She's into it. And this is what you always get from her. I love it. I love it. Love it when they're fully engaged in what they're doing. I like the drums though. I feel like I'm at a concert, guys. I don't know if she's singing in Kazakhstan, but this is a beautiful language, man. It's such beautiful, like the words, the way that they're just flowing out of her mouth. It's beautiful. I'm not good, guys, but I love it. I love it. Ooh, what a strong finale. Ooh. Ooh, I love that. But I'm taking it back to a part that I like. Look at her. She's so excited about this. It's always good to see Daneliya Tuleshova excited. I love to see that. Take it back here. Just, I love the sound. It's beautiful. I really like this part. I love that part. I love that. That power right there. I just love it. But 2020 is starting off to be amazing, guys. I'm dropping 2 of Daneliya Tuleshova reactions today. Get them while they're hot. Get them while they're hot. Share the video with a friend or loved one. But I'm excited to see you guys back. I'm excited to be back. And if you're new to the channel, I just want to let you know, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to really up this channel, get to like 10,000 subscribers, man. We're getting there. We're getting there. Just keep on subscribing, man. It's a cool channel. If you wanted to do something good for me for the New Year's, you know, my birthday pass, you know, go ahead and hit me with a subscription. Hit me with a subscribe. Hit the subscribe button for me. Sometimes it's 7,000 people watching the video. 10,000. You guys have to subscribe. This is a cool channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Each and every okay, 2021 guys, each and every single one of you watching this, hit the subscribe button. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. I got faith in you guys. I know you guys can do it. It's easy. All you gotta do is click a button. I'm not charging you for the click of the button. It's free. It's free. It's free, guys. Enough with it. Much love, guys. Be safe during this time. See you in the next one.